Okay, the guy, hope you're having a good time. I'm in Baguio right now. This is a nearby town of Paete. So this is a beautiful church. It's St. Peter of Alcantara Parish. So this is a nice church, an old church again. It's a very nice church, an old church. Going up see. It's very nice. There's a Medina going. I think there's a celebration. We'll go to the Baguio pool later. See you. We're here in Nuestra Senora de los de Turumba, and we're here in the pool in Baguio. That's the water coming from the mountain at the back. So it's the pool. So we're very lucky because you were allowed to go inside, but there's an entrance fee. If you're from Paki, you can go here for free. So if you're a resident, but if you're not, you just need to pay the entrance. You just need to pay in front, and then you can go swim here. So this is our Nuestra Senora de los Dulces de Turumba. I think every summer there's a feast going here, but it's very busy. It's a weekday, so it's not that busy, but you I think that water from my parents is there, so it's infinite. See you. Mineral water.